हेलो गाइस, हाय एवरीवन, दिस इज़ योर क्रांति वेलपुरी। कुछ दिन के पहले मैंने आपको कहा था कि मैंने फरवरी 14 को लवर्स डे को मेरा बीबी को जो C9 किट मैंने फॉरएवर का गिफ्ट दे चुका हूँ, उसके बारे में एक वीडियो भी निकालूंगा, ऐसा मैंने पहला ही बताया। आज मैं उसको पूछ लेता हूँ, सब कुछ पूछ लेता हूँ, मतलब उसका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था, कैसा कैसा यूज़ किया है और उसका टेस्ट कैसा, सब कुछ मैं इस वीडियो में पूरा आपको दिखाने वाला था, ठीक है। लेकिन उसको हिंदी नहीं आता है, हम लोग का पूरा कन्वर्जेशन थोड़ा बहुत इंग्लिश में चलता है। अगर चाहिए तो आपको हिंदी का कैप्शंस भी ऐड कर दूंगा नीचे, और उसको देख लीजिए। अभी शुरू कर देंगे। Okay. First of all, welcome to the Kranti Velpuri show.
Thank you.
Okay. I'm actually appreciating you very well because of your dedication to the C9 kit you are using for the 9 days and showing some interest about to continue this process, like taking some food patterns, changing some food patterns. I want to appreciate to that also. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. First of all, say your name to our audience.
Hi, this is Mallika Velpuri, wife of Kranti. Actually, first of all, in Valentine's Day, my husband gave one gift, that is a C9 kit. First of all, I shocked what is the gift like, but this is the weight loss kit. In that time, I felt nervous. Why? Because it's not possible to do. Why? Because I am working as a school teacher. My working hours morning 8 to evening till 7 o'clock. In that time it's not, I felt like it's not possible to do. But my husband encouraged me. I also used that C9 kit. Then I used that the last 9 days before I start that kit. In that time I have, my weight is nearly 69 kgs. After complete the 9 days, my weight is 64.5 kgs.
64.6, I think. Yeah, right.
Nearly 4 kgs.
Nearly not. Out of that, 4.2 kilos is not smaller than.
More than 4 kgs I lost. I lost.
Yeah, okay, but something I want to say about that C9 kit, like, see, so many of people are feel fear about that management, like changing food patterns.
First of all, I want to tell one thing. When I am starting this diet process, my colleagues, all members asking me, why ma'am, why are you following that, you are doing work now, like, and my family members also discourage me.
Negativity, guys, negativity. इसको बोलता है negativity.
But I followed that, but I am telling to them, I want good health, I want to lose my weight. That one only told to them. And then finally I complete my 9 days diet.
Shall I ask you one thing? Is it C9 kit only weight loss challenge or something else?
No. All members, I told to all members this is the weight loss kit, like, but after using I feel happy about C9 kit. Why? Because it's not for weight loss. It's giving good health to me, and my face and my glowness also increased.
Yeah.
And my energy also increased.
It's itself in the name, clean 9.
Yeah.
It's like clean 9.
Yeah.
Okay, starting from the first day, how do you feel about your energy levels? Like you feel some hungry like thing, afternoon session, not in the night session. Did you feel anytime hungry?
In that first day I didn't feel anything. Why? Because in devotionally I do fasting in so many 1 or 2 days.
Okay.
So first day I didn't feel anything, any nervous not there. Second day also going good only. Third day, but I got some nervous. When I wake up, that time some dizziness also there. But after taking that, what is that yellow color packet of
Fiber.
After I'll take the fiber water, I got energy. After once I take that water, up to now also
low of
I
energy.
didn't last my energy levels.
Okay, that's very good. Okay, but did you specify any food pattern you follow? Yeah, morning.
Not only.
Did you eat morning, afternoon, any tiffins, food, night
I'll
time?
take first of all I'll take capsules. They provide capsules in the
Garcinia
kit.
Plus. Mm-hmm.
That capsules I'll take after. I'll take first 2 capsules morning. After half an hour I'll take aloe vera juice
Okay,
with RG
Come to
plus.
come to aloe vera gel. So many people are saying that this is here forever living products ka aloe vera is very pure thing. 99.7% aloe vera gel. It's come with package, but so many people are using that, saying that that is taste like some bitter taste, something else.
Yeah,
Saying
yes,
like that. Is that
yes.
true?
I also felt like why
Okay.
because one day, not a first 2 days, a third day or fourth day, before adding that RG plus, I'll taste that one sip of that
Okay.
RG
Like raw
aloe vera juice.
raw aloe vera.
It's not taste like a water and not having any taste. It's some different taste. I didn't like that one.
Okay.
So after adding that RG plus,
Okay.
it's very tasty.
Okay. What taste you felt in that?
It's sweet and like berry strawberry type of berry juice. Like I
berries.
feel like.
Yeah. In the packet itself, it's displayed that berries.
In the list of that rules, they gave one aloe vera juice for 1 day
Sachet,
for
330 ml.
3 times.
Okay.
But if they gave chance, means I'll take 3 packets for 1 day.
Do you like so much? That much you like it?
Yeah.
Okay. In the afternoon session, what are the food pattern you are following?
Afternoon section, as usual, 2 capsules. After I'll take that, after half an hour, I'll take those aloe vera juice. After I'll take veggies bowl.
Veg bowl.
Veg bowl only I'll take.
Okay. Steamed or boiled?
That's
Okay,
it.
okay.
And a protein powder shake also there, that one also.
Okay.
But in this following, I will take these all things within exact 30 minutes gap only.
Okay.
Like 12 o'clock capsules, 12:20 aloe vera gel, 1 o'clock
Time.
food.
Particular
After
time.
1:30, like I only followed.
Yes. Okay, but in the night times, every day is the same pattern or changing? Some changes are available, like
Morning breakfast and lunchtime as usual.
okay.
Coming to the dinner, I'll take different foods.
Okay.
First 2 days no food.
Okay.
No food
Completely
in full morning to evening, only those liquids only. Coming to the third day, I'll take 2 rotis first. After next day, bowl with all veggies. Like third day rotis, fourth day like veggies, like all I'll change.
Okay. But I want to ask another thing. Did you consume any sugar in these 9 days?
No. I didn't felt like. Maybe
like
one day, third day, I told to na.
Cravings, some cravings. You have some cravings. You have to eat some sugar.
No.
No, like that. No, sir.
No.
Nothing else. Oil food. No oil food.
No oil food.
Okay. It's in the सी गाइस, हमको डाइट करना होता है तो पहला ये दोनों को बंद करना पड़ेगा, ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि शुगर में हाई कैलोरीज होता है और ऑयल में वो जो बैड फैट होता है उसको तो पहला बंद करना पड़ेगा, तभी हमको क्या होगा, फैट लॉस होना शुरू हो जाएगा. अगर आप कुछ एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे हैं उससे कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं है, लेकिन खाने का कुछ पैटर्न चेंज करना पड़ेगा ताकि आप बिल्कुल वेट लॉस हो सकते हो. आई वांट टू आस्क मोर थिंग अबाउट this C9Kit. While coming to the weight loss, it's okay. But anything else you got from the C9Kit?
Yeah. I got more energy. I myself increased my energy levels, and I didn't observe up to now also, but around me so many members are tell to me you are became so soft skin and you get glow face, like only they tell.
Is there any exercise you did from morning? No, nothing else.
Just I take the food
Regular
and
work.
as usual my works.
Regular work. Now, what do you want to do after these days? After these days, how the food pattern you want to be?
Actually, in my school, some teachers are asking me, ma'am, 9 days after, as usual, full eating only na, like they're asking.
Okay.
Now I told I like this process, so I want to continue this like only.
Okay. What is your target for the month?
This month my target.
Okay, this month is over. Almost
This month
is
over.
Okay.
2 days only there. Coming to that next 2 days, if it without taking those aloe vera juice or capsules, I want to reduce 5 kgs. End of
Okay,
this
reduce
month.
5 kgs, almost 5 kgs.
I'll
Okay.
try my level best.
Within 1 month.
Yeah.
ओके सी गाइस ये भी देखते हैं हम बिना प्रोडक्ट लेके कैसा कम हो सकता है, प्रोडक्ट लेने के बाद 9 दिन नहीं तो 18 दिन में डबल लेके कैसा कम हो सकता है, वो भी देखेंगे। अभी ये पर्सनली चैलेंज ले रहे हैं खुद का, मैं अभी चैलेंज दे चुका हूँ पहला, अभी खुद ले रहे चैलेंज, देखते हैं मार्च का महीना एंड में, उस समय हम बात करेंगे, ठीक है? तब तक मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। Until then, stay connected with me. I am Kranti Velpuri in this video with Malika. Bye bye.
Bye bye.